Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to exchange currencies on your Revolut account. Make sure to watch the video to the end not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. And in case you haven't made a Revolut account yet, you can go down in the description to find the first link in bio to sign up for a referral code and get a bonus once you do so. Now all you have to do is open your Revolut account right here, and then from here you're going to choose whatever currency that you might have currently. So for example, we have USD dollars, but you can switch to Hungarian forints or anything else. And then from here, if you would like to change it, then simply go to the currency, click on move, and then from here you're going to choose the balance on the bottom. And as you can see, there are multiple options including US dollar or even euros. So click on whatever you want, and then from here make sure that the arrow in the middle is directed the correct way. And so from here, if we select it to be, for example, on 100, then it's going to transfer it to USD, and then you're going to click on review order, and then from here going to buy USD with Hungarian forints, and there you go. Now I have transferred some money to my USD account, and as you can see, the transaction is right here. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.